Prospecting business-to-business leads on LinkedIn is now as easy as 1, 2, 3, thanks to the Chrome extension we developed. And once you log into the system, take you to the back end where we have 10 different applications. On the right side of the screen, top menu, you'll see those 4 menus. You'll go here, how to extract emails from LinkedIn. You download the extension to your desktop. I already did it. And you extract it, you unpack it. Once you did that, go to your Chrome settings, extensions. Make sure that you're on developer mode. Okay, load unpacked extensions, and let me find it. I saved it here on plugins. I click it and install. That's something that I already did, and you have the extension here. You can look for details. It will tell you details about it. It's a safe extension approved by Google, so no fear. From here, basically, let me go and open LinkedIn. Okay, it's finished loading the page, and I didn't launch it, it was open. And basically, let's say that you're looking for sales agents. This search or any other search in any niche, and you'll find a long list. You'll narrow it down to people, and those are people that have, say, sales agent in high tech in their profile at some point. And then you launch this extension. This extension has 3 position modes. 1, visit only each profile. What it will do, it will go through one by one, as many as you decide. How many actions? I like to do around 100, and that's the time period that it will wait between activity and activity, between profile and profile, to look natural and not make any suspicious that it is actually a bot extension. So that will only visit here, connect only with each profile. It will go to profile and connect. Visit and connect with auto message. And this is the auto message that you can attach to each of your reach outs. I love using the just to visit other people's profiles based on their key search term, and then they'll just get back and look at my profile. And yeah, we can use also the cold reach out, and then they'll connect. Now let me run it. So now it's running, and the counter, it started with 65 seconds, and within 65 seconds it's gonna go check Tom Turiano, scroll down his profile, leave it, wait for another period of time, somewhere between 30 seconds to 100 seconds, visit Ray Nedahon, and again and again and again, up till 100 activities. I don't do more than 250 a day. Basically, it saves a lot of time. You look at people's profile, they get a notification, some of them do, and they'll check you. Beside that, we have an email extractor, which I'll show you here. Let me just stop this one. I usually don't like running both of them simultaneously because it takes a little bit more power on the computer. There's no need. So let me show you the other extension, what it does. If I'll go here, actually I'll stay on people and let me run that. What's it gonna do? It's just gonna go one by one by one, and it's extracting. In 5 minutes it's gonna extract. Let's see how many it's gonna take from this page. We have first page. In a minute we'll see the numbers here climbing, and that means that we get a list of people with their emails, maybe anyway, I'll let it run for a few minutes and I'll check another extension. Basically, let me go, we're at the New York Times website. The Chrome extension is going to open here in a minute. See, once it's finished loading the page, and now what we did, we clicked on the extension. It's going to go and search for contacts of people that are working in the New York Times. Now it's actually going into a database and other aggregators, data that is saved, data that is live as we speak, and here you go, it will give you a list of whoever is working in the New York Times. So two super powerful, we already have 10 emails with names of sales agent and in high tech. So you get the point, super powerful extension. It's right here and it does an amazing job. Let me just take a look again. Let's do Google and see. Actually never checked it. Okay, clicked it, yeah, people in Google. Let's see if it will open a Google profile. That's an employee of Google. Yeah, Google Head of Growth Maps Platform. Super interesting. So you get the point. Another great tool that we have is basically when you go into somebody's profile, take a look at his contact. I believe that the extension is going to extract more than just what you have here, which is a link to his profile and the website that he promotes on his profile. Now, you can see, because it's on the profile, the extension automatically opened, and can save the information based on a list that you pre-made here in the CRM, but it's in a previous video. You can watch it. So let's go back here, and basically it's searching. I'm unlocking the information. He's not providing his email, for example, and it's still searching. Okay, so I have his email at Google, not at Gmail, and I have his Gmail account. And those are two telephones that belong to Google headquarters, likely in the Silicon Valley areas, Cupertino, San Jose or something. Download, unpack, install, go to LinkedIn, search term, people, and it's going. That's it. See you in the next video.